to Science City. The vision of Science City was to revolutionize and redo the science block here at Before Comprehensive Secondary School. We wanted to make the mural more attractive to students and to bring them into the sciences. We at CSI are trying to reflect one of the world's most renowned scientists, Albert Einstein. With his imaginative and creative ideas on general relativity, he reshaped the entire science as we know it. But here at CSI, we are trying to do the same thing at our school. Reshape science for the students so that they will be interested in the science program here at the school.
Science City is supposed to reflect that science is the business center of the science subject in our school. The murals mark the 55th anniversary of Before Comprehensive and the first anniversary of CSI. The previous murals did not depict exactly what happened in our labs, so we reformed it and created this Science City. Each lab has a different mural because each science is different in its own way, but yet linked. So our murals show the link between each science subject, yet still shows the difference between each science subject. Hi, my name is Kenya Charles and this is the physics lab. On this lab, you realize we had this cartoon theme. We used Snooki and Charlie Brown. The reason being is that we wanted to appeal to the lower form student to show that science is not as difficult as they think it's gonna be. So we use a simple setup with a Bunsen burner and shows how experiments usually happens in the lab. We use creative words, experiment, engineering, event, just to show that it's most of the terms we use in our labs.
Hi, my name is Lincoln Francis, president of CSI, and this is the physics lab. Today we have the memes. We drew memes on the walls to appeal to youth because you know they're always on social media looking at memes. Here we have simple meme where a man is falling from the sky and it says it's not the velocity that kills you, it's the force from the impact that kills you. Splat. Anyways, we have an atom here depicting the atomic physics aspects of physics. Here we have the simple pendulum, an equation describing the motion of a simple pendulum. This is an equation for the period, for the acceleration, for the velocity of the simple pendulum. And here we have a simple circuit, so the most common circuit used throughout the majority of CXC, the simple amp circuit. And here we have an iconic phrase, may the force be with you. This is the dark room. This is where we store all of our materials and apparatus for experiments. And there's, apparatus on the wall. So magnifying glass, solutions, magnets are one of the common things that you find in the dark room.
Joseph. This is the chemistry room. Chemistry. Chem is try. Always try to keep a positive attitude. Hence the quote, think like a proton and stay positive. The science room is where most of our science club meetings take place. So we decided to draw our CSI logo and put our motto, which is no science, no life. The name of our science club is Contagious Scientific Intelligence, and it was established on June 2017.
So here we have the caffeine molecule. Caffeine is representative of all the stresses and all the burning of the midnight oil that we've had to go through as students, especially during the science stream. Over here we have a couple of elements. As you can see, the highlighted elements in black spell out chemistry. So you have carbon, helium, forget this one, iodine, sulfur, technetium, radium, and yttrium. All right, and we have some notable elements here. We have gold, for example, because that's what our students are. We have boron, because we do not believe that any student here is a moron. We have titanium, because it rhymes with vibranium, because this is what we are at heart, we're strong-hearted. And we also have many other elements here. Thank you.
This is the general setup of a chemistry experiment. These three colorful solutions are used in qualitative analysis. This is being able to identify compounds which are present in certain mixtures. And this is just an atom.
Theory on this is
Alex Kidu.
and we're going to do the IS lab.
So what you have here is a Land Rover that it takes solar energy and converts it into mechanical energy to cut grass. It was designed and presented in our district science fair, our school, well, our in-school science fair and district science fair.
And we have on the hair coat, the important thing to do
Is never stop questioning.
Albert Einstein. Let's continue. Here we have a water molecule. We have one O and two H's. And let me ask you, Alex, why did the bear dissolve in water?
Because it's polar, Cedron, why else?
I get it now. And we have another quote. Don't trust an atom. They make everything up. Don't trust its atoms, everyone. Don't trust its atoms. And in IS, it is a relationship between all further sciences. And to show this, we have solutions in
This is a conical flask.
different solutions. Then we have a microscope to show biology. This shows chemistry, biology, and again, chemistry. And everything in life, you know it. So good luck everyone, and do your best in IS.
I'm Tresna.
I'm Hannah,
And this is the
Bio Lab. On this lab, we have the DNA
What stuff is made out of? Human.
and the viruses which attack the DNA.
And the microscope to see the viruses and the DNA. Now, before this was colorful, we had a little problem.
There were only blue and red on the
It
DNA.
represents only two bases, only two nucleotide bases. Now, that's incorrect. There are four nucleotide bases. So us, the bio students of lower 6,
Painted the four colors to represent the four nucleotide bases.
and that is how we got this.
The DNA, just replicate it.
Finish it.
Here is a quote to tie it all up. If it moves, it's biology. If it stinks, it's chemistry. If it doesn't work, it's physics.